Hello everyone, my name is Igor and today I will be talking about how to use Uploadcare in Webflow for you to have a free upload of images and files in your forms in Webflow website. So we'll be integrating Uploader, which will look like something like this. So it can be this kind of style, minimal, it can be like different like dark mode, light mode. And it's very easy to use in Webflow, and today I will be talking about how to actually do that. So first of all, I have a project here. I have a form. I have some custom code here, like I have some HTML embeds. This is what we will need to set up the thing. And first of all, we need to go to Uploadcare. You need to create your project. You can start for free. And we need to go, you can go to this page like get started, and actually you don't need to go there. You go to file uploader, and you will have this really nice UI which helps you to customize the feel and the look of your uploader. So you have two options. The first is like modal, which will look something like this, and you have like a minimal, which is like very minimal, as it's called, UI for uploading files and images. So let's start with minimal, I guess, and we have choices to make it like light mode or dark mode. You can choose your kind of like color theme. You can even probably have your own color here. I will use the default white one. You cannot use image editor because it's not supported in a minimal mode. We will talk about that when we go for modal. We go next. We can choose like whether we want to upload any images, any files, or only images. I guess like on the free plan you can only upload images, so let's put images. Here you can set like the maximum file size for your image. Let's say it's gonna be like 10 megabytes. Then we can like upload multiple files at the time, or like single file. So like this time, to make things simple, we will go with single file. So we go next, and now we have some instructions about how to install our modal, right? How to install our uploader. So we choose the library like we install from CDN, and we have the first script here, like to bring this script of Uploadcare on our page. So we go to the flow, we go to page settings, and we put it inside of a head. Okay, now we go into configure section. So we choose, we copy this code, and this code actually has to be inside of style tags. So we write like style, here again, style, and I just put it inside. So this is my config. I actually can add a lot of like different variables and different CSS here for this uploader, so you can play around with this. So, and we need to add this config file, so we'll go also copy it and we put it under the style. Okay, that's it. Be sure to change this, like if you like copying it from my clonable, like don't forget to change this public key. You need to put your own public key, which you can find, I will tell you later, you can find in your project settings. So that's it, and we save it, and I have a custom code here on in actual form, and there we need to put this thing, like put it on a page. We also copy it and we put it here inside. It looks a little bit ugly, but never mind. Okay, and now we will publish, and we will see how it actually works on the live website. And that's it. So this is my file. I can choose, let's say I will upload my photo, and you can see this like really nice animation of how the file has been uploaded. And I also set up some custom code to have the ID of my uploaded file, and to have a CDN URL of my uploaded file placed in my form fields. because we are not going to have any kind of like input field from this widget. So we can actually go into the code, and you will see that there is actually absolutely no input here. So like you cannot really send any data from just having the widget. So that's why we need to have other fields with actual data from the file. I will show you the snippet later. So let's go back to our project, and we can see that I have my file. So this is the file. We have our UID here, and many kind of like different things. Yeah, so this is basically the UID which we got here also. And let's now go and try to set up a model, like not the minimal version, not like this one, but set up a model. So let's go to File Uploader again and choose the model here, and I still choose this one, Image Editor. Now we can turn it on. Let's go next. We can choose like where I want to get my files from. So we can have a lot of sources. Good. Let's do it also only images. Let's do it like 10 megabytes, single file. Next. And again, we have this thing. So most of these things, they are pretty much same, but like just to make sure that we don't mess up with code, let's go and have the same things here. So this script, it's actually completely same, I guess. We go into configuration. So here, I think it should be also quite same. Yep, absolutely the same. And I think this one will be a little bit different. So yeah, this one was quite different. Okay, cool. We have our new configuration, and for this part we also change it with this like later on, like put on page thing. So we copy this and change it here. Okay, save. And now let's publish and see how it works. Okay, cool. Now we have this kind of like button here, right? And we press upload file, and I can drag and drop the thing here. I can choose from my device. I can choose from the camera, Dropbox, like Facebook, whatever. I get like from my device. I want to upload the same picture. And I have it uploaded, and I think this one is the image editor actually. So I can cut my image, make it like this. You have like different options like to edit your image. Okay, looks good, and this is done. So I have my UID and my URL again here. We can submit this data, and I will see it in my form submissions. And we can use this data to, let's say, send this image, like put it in our CMS, or let's say if you're using like MemberStack or some other like membership system, you can use this uploader for sending the image data to your profile picture fields in the membership system. So there are many use cases for that, and there are many things which you can do. And I also want to mention how we have this data here inside of our fields. So if you go to my setup, you will see that I have one more HTML embed here, and this is kind of like we have event listener. So we're listening to the event when upload is finished, and I put like this data inside of console, and then I have this like two fields with IDs, like UID field and URL field, and we get the data from UID, NCD and URL to put them inside of our form. Yeah, and that's basically it. This is very simple way how you can have your file uploader in Webflow completely for free, and with a really nice interface, with really nice UI. you can go in, you can check actually this file, and you'll see that in many things it's using like variables. So you see like this is like variable here, and you can change this value by just adding those to configuration here. Together with these variables, you can add them here, and you can put your own values for, like, let's say the border radius, like for the background colors, like anything. You can have your own CSS, and you can really customize the look and feel of your uploader, of your like Uploadcare file uploader. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and you will like using Uploadcare for your Webflow forms, and you will build really nice use cases with this feature. Thanks, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.